Hi everyone, Display Repair here. One of the more common mishaps among drivers is pouring the wrong fuel into the gas tank. It may happen because of hurry, a lack of attention, a lack of knowledge perhaps. What happens is you put diesel instead of gasoline into the tank or vice versa. If it happens, it can cause serious damage to your car unless you take the steps we'll show you. So stay tuned. DisplayRepair.com. Be sure to visit us at our website DisplayRepair.com, where you can find more useful car and driving tips. Do not start the engine. The most important thing regarding this problem is to realize that you've poured the wrong fuel as soon as possible and that you do not start the engine. If you are lucky enough to realize this on time, you have a good chance of getting yourself out of trouble without any serious damage. Simply, the wrong fuel will lay inside the tank and no other parts of the system will get affected or damaged. However, if you have started the engine, the sooner you realize your mistake, the better. You should stop the car and turn off the engine as soon as possible. The less you drive the car, the less chances of bigger damage there will be. So, the best case scenario is that you notice on time and you do not start the engine. The worst case scenario is that you drive the car with the fuel in the tank if you've managed to start the car at all. Push the car aside. Next, as soon as you've realized the mistake, move the car from the gas station and make some distance from it. Since the road service will have to park near you if you've called them and solving the problem involves working with gas, it's good to make some safety precautions. So make as much safe distance as you can. If you're on your own in this situation regarding pushing the car, we have a specific video that shows you how to push your car by yourself without much trouble. The link is in the card in the corner or in the link in the description. Call road service. From that point onwards, you can either call the road service for help or try to make a fix on your own. If you're not good around cars, it is best to call the road service. Also, if you've already started the engine and driven the car, calling the road service is also a very good option since you may have to tow the car. Besides this, road services usually have specialized mobile pumps for flushing and cleaning gas tanks and the proper knowledge for these situations, so they can surely get you out of trouble. So if you don't mind the waiting and in some countries the hefty repair bill, calling road service is the best option for this problem. You can try and fix the problem yourself. If for some reason the road service isn't available and you're good around cars, you can try fixing the problem yourself. You can consider this if the engine hasn't been started and the rest of the system is not contaminated. If the contaminated fuel got to the fuel pump, filter, injectors, and other parts of the system, then it's best to tow the car since you're in for some serious repairs. The best way to make this fix, if all you have to do is remove the contaminated fuel, is to siphon the gas tank. Most gas stations sell plastic manual pumps. You can buy one of these, a plastic gas can also, and try siphoning. The downside of this is that some gas tanks are easier to siphon, while some are almost impossible. Have this in mind when considering this option. Inspect all parts of the fuel system. If the engine has been started with the wrong fuel, and especially if it ran on that kind of fuel for a longer period of time, you must inspect all of the fuel system. You'll certainly have to change the fuel filter, but also inspect the fuel injectors, fuel pump, and other vital parts of the system. Especially do this if gasoline is poured into a diesel car. If you can't do this, be sure to get to a mechanic and inspect it. Needless to say, it's best to completely avoid this problem if in any way possible. The best way to do this is to always pay attention when pouring gas. Although it is a simple task, it is a responsible one. Because you don't have a couple of minutes of attention and patience, you can cause a world of problems, lose time, lose nerves, and lose money. So that's it for this time. We hope the video helps. Please like and subscribe. It's a huge help for what we're doing. Thanks for watching and thanks for your time.